In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a bookmark from Bookmarks Bar in Google Chrome on Windows 10. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or the Start menu, depending on how Chrome is set up on your system. Once Chrome opens, look near the top of the browser window for the Bookmarks bar. If you already see the bookmark that you want to remove, move your mouse pointer directly over it. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct bookmark, especially if several bookmarks have similar names or icons. This helps prevent deleting the wrong one by mistake. Next, right-click on that bookmark. A small menu will appear with several options related to that saved item. In that menu, select Delete. As soon as you click Delete, the bookmark will be removed from the Bookmarks bar immediately. If your Bookmarks bar looks crowded, repeating this same action on other unwanted bookmarks can quickly clean things up. Keeping only the bookmarks you actually use can make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. That is all you need to do. Open Chrome, find the bookmark on the Bookmarks bar, right-click it, and choose Delete. It is simple, fast, and useful for keeping your browser neat and easy to navigate. That covers everything you need to know.